blot out our ways. We'll run for the forests, we'll seek out the glades in which we can be honest with who we are.